most demanded article and it's in muslin fabric. So I have brought you very beautiful collection and it's in pure muslin Pakistani suit. Ramzan special, you know Ramadan is coming. So this is the time you can place your order and you will get a lot of profit. So just one request, don't skip this video, watch till the end. So hello friends, how are you? I have brought you very beautiful muslin collection. As you can see on the table, a lot of designs have came. First design you can see, it's in beautiful and vibrant orange color. Plus you can see the mirror work and the Pakistani print. It's very beautiful. Even you can see the pants is in pure muslin itself. And I'll show you the pant firma. You can see the pant firma also. Along with it you will get pure muslin dupatta. Very beautiful dupatta and it's in Pakistani print. You can see it's pure muslin and you can see the fabric also. It's very beautiful and very soft. If you want this collection, take a screenshot directly. You can DM us. And secondly, next collection, very beautiful maroon color along with the handwork on the neck. All these fabrics are pure muslin. Even the pants are pure muslin, even the dupatta is pure muslin. If you want to see the sample, you can see the sample itself. So you can see how beautiful this sample is along with the handwork on the neck. If I talk about the different concept, these are the most trendy collection in ending 2025. In 2026, this would be the very beautiful and trendy collection and viral collection. Next, you can see proper Dubai printing, Pakistani printing collection. Even you can see the mirror work along with the sequence work and the zari weaving work, and it's very soft. You can see how soft it is. Even I can roll it down into my hands. You can see how soft it is. If I talk about the dupatta, you are going to get pure muslin dupatta along with the proper muslin pants. If I talk about the sets, in this set you will get same color, same design, medium, large, XL, double XL and 3XL. Now this is a golden time because we have brought plus sizes in the set also. You're going to get the 3XL also. You can see this collection, it's very beautiful. It's in vibrant yellow color along with the mirror work. You can see how beautiful this mirror work look. Even you can see the length of the fabric. It's very nice. If you want to order this, you just have to do one thing. You can directly call us, DM us. We have the Instagram platform, we have the YouTube platform. You can place your order on any platform. Even you can WhatsApp us. You can see this collection. Now let's talk about the order process. If you want to order these collection, you have to do one thing. You can directly message us, video call us or visit us. COD is also available in Pan India. You can see this collection. And if you're watching from outer India, we have shipping available. You can see this beautiful Katdana handwork collection along with the 3D images. This is very beautiful piece. If you want to play these order, now I'm going to show you the last collection. Wait a second. Now the collection is not ending. This is the beginning of the new season, new wedding season. So all the upcoming design would be very trendy. So don't miss out, but you are going to get it only for B2B, not for B2C. So this is your channel. Like, comment and share, and comment down below from where you're watching this video.